Yeah, GM guys, this is the voice of El David Network. In today's video, I'll quickly give you an overview of the FastEarn app latest UI update. I've done series of video in guiding all my referrals on how to go about mining this project. Alright, like I said, from the profile page, the main goal here, we are actually mining the UBI point, which is the universal basic income. All right, so we are mining the point which will be in turn converted to the UBI token that will be listed 2027. So next year this token will be listed, and there are a lot of utility that are tied to this particular project. We are mining the ore and the gold ore. So the essence of the ore, you can see your bed from the home page from the elf. All right, you see your home page. All you have to do is to continue feeding this bed. All right, so for those who are starting new, immediately you register using the referral code. You will see on this page, you will see code. You just click on code and enter the invitation code, invited, all in capital letter, invited, all in capital letter. All right, so once you enter it, you are going to get 20 UBI points. All right, you're going to get 20 UBI points and about 52,000 ore and 50 gold ore. So these are the points you are going to get because I am an influencer of this project. So I have a unique referral code from them which gives everyone that uses my code extra bonuses. All right, so that aside, let me quickly show you how the mining goes. Like I said, you continue to feed your bed, and you can see my bed is in level 3, and the more I am consistently feeding the bed, I'll continue to change levels, and the more you refer, it gets more faster. All right, so you click on food to feed your bed. Immediately after this countdown, you come again and continue feeding your bed. All right, so you claim the gold ore and also the ore. Right, then on the get section, this is where you get to see some of the tasks. All right, so once you click on it, you see your daily check-in here. All right, you see your daily check-in, then you continue to do your daily check-in. And also to complete other tasks, come to mine, click on this settings icon, click on it, then you ensure you set up your contact, your region, your age, your gender. When you are able to set all these, if you come to the get section again on the home page, you'll be able to claim some of those points that will be there, some of those tasks and other tasks like join WhatsApp, join Telegram, join their YouTube channel. So once you do all that, you are going to earn the required points that are attached to each of the tasks. Like I said, the main goal here is to mine UBI token. So the goal is to accumulate more UBI token. So to know more about this project, you can see the white paper, you can click on it, and to know more about the OG, you can click on it and frequently ask question 1 and 2, so you can read more about all these. All right, so still on the task section, when you click on the friends, okay, let's see the second page, second icon here. It just show you the food, the health, and the item. All right, so the next thing here is a quick introduction about this project, so you can go ahead and read it so that you understand what you are actually farming. All right, then the next icon here is the UBI, all right, that universal basic income. This is just the breakdown of your friends' activities, what has been going on globally. All right, also you can see the statistic of your own friends, people you are connected to, like your upline and your direct downlines. All right, so this is just all you see here. While on the friends page, you will also see a direct breakdown of what is actually happening. So here now, as you can see, some of the friends, most of those friends are active. The ones you see this black icon, you just click on it. When you click on it, you just go ahead and all harvest, just go ahead and click on it. All right, so to claim some of the extra points, then you can go down again and just look for them. There are some of them you will see that their bed will be available to employ, so you can employ their beds. All right, so you can employ their beds will start working for you. All right, so let me just quickly see other people that I can claim extra. Okay, you can see this one now is showing employed. Though that simply means he has kept his bed idle, and as the upline, you can hire his bed to work for you. So let me harvest. Then you just click on employ. Sometimes the network may be bad, just keep clicking on it until the profile appears. All right, so keep clicking on it until the profile appears. All right, so the profile just appeared, so that simply means I've employed that bed to work for me. So I'll quickly show you on my home page now. All right, so if I go to my home page, I'm coming. Before that, let me see if there's any other friend with that black. All right, so you can see this one. All right, and I can also employ this one. This one has left his bed idle for a long time, so I can also employ his bed. Okay, I'm trying to employ. They said home not enough. That means the people I can employ is only two people I can employ because of my own screen. You can see these are the two people I have been able to employ, that of TD Cast and that of Noni. All right, so you can see these are the two people's beds who are idle, and I've been able to recruit their bed to work for me, so they are going to get their own percentage. All right, so also on the what is it called, Monopoly. This Monopoly is just a game. All right, so you just come. I like using the X5. All right, so you have your daily. I've used my 5 spins, so daily you receive, in every 24 hours you get 5 spins, so you just go ahead and spin. So after you spin, you can come to my prize to activate all of them. All right, so these are just game you play daily. Once is how you play some once daily. Then on the W, that's proof of work, POW. So on the home page here, I told you that our main goal is to mine the UBI coin, but however, we mine the ore and the gold ore. So the essence of that gold ore is to be staked. All right, so you come to stake to icon income under POW. You click on get, then you activate and you click on 100% and just go ahead and stake. All right, so always stake your gold ore. If you don't stake it, they are as useless as nothing, because they cannot be listed, they can't do anything. All right, so you just ensure you always take your gold ore and your and your ore coin. So keep on staking. You can see how many I've staked. I've staked about 8,551 gold. All right, and I've been able to stake 744,907 ore. So you stake them, and in turn they generate more UBI token for you. All right, so on the charity angel, this charity angel give you breakdown of your level 1 referral and also level 2 referral. So you earn level 1 and level 2 referral. So you can see in my level 1 I have 72 people, 72 direct downline, and 71 are currently mining. And also on the level 2 I have about 40 to 34, and the 34 are also mining. All right, so you can give them reminder. So for those who have not been active, you can just go ahead and send reminder. I've sent reminder already, and if I try to do that, I will tell you paid reminder email less than 24 hours since last email was available. So I've sent already. So if you switch to the bounty, on the bounty page, there are tasks that you can do. All right, so to earn UBI token, ore and gold ore. So just ensure you go through them and complete the tasks that you can. Make sure you read the tasks, understand it before you execute. All right, so on the share, so for those who are influencers and you have a video that you've made a video, like I'm making a tutorial right now, you can make a video like a tutorial video about this project, and also you can submit that link in order to earn more token. You earn 10% as a creator. So you just click on this plus icon, then you fill in if it is on YouTube, if it is on TikTok, if it's on X, Facebook. So you just whichever place you are an influencer on. If it's on YouTube, just go ahead and select YouTube, then copy the link of the material and paste it here. If you are a creator, you get 10% and you upload all the necessary stuff. So you just go ahead and pay the UBI. It's not free. You pay UBI to make your video available, your video link available on this platform, so that you can start earning 10% of that, of the reward. All right, so that's the aspect of the share. And also you see other creators who made it available, their videos available. You can just go ahead and complete those tasks. All right, so you can see all the tasks, all the videos here are mine. I posted on TikTok, on X, on YouTube. So these are my videos. All right, these are my materials, and I kept on earning 10%. That's why my earning is kind of fast. All right, and on the finance, all right, so this is just a breakdown on what is happening. All right, so for those who want to be OGs, like you want to buy the pass, you can also read about the OG and understand how it works. So these are the simple things that you should know about these projects. All you have to do is just to be consistent, mind your feed your bed immediately after the countdown, set your timer, be active, because this is the gold mine in 2026, and in 2027 you are going to reap if you do not lose heart. Just be consistent, keep on recruiting, encouraging your friends to keep on mining this project. And if you are new, please do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you gain value from this article, from this video. And also subscribe, turn on notification bell for subsequent update like this. And also in the description of this video, I'm going to leave the registration details you need, and also my WhatsApp group. So join my WhatsApp group so that you get informed, you get closer, you get attached in case you get any question you would like to relate with me. You are very free. Join my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp, and you can also DM me directly. I am the admin of the group, so you keep yourself updated in regards to this. Thank you. See you in my next video.